Mr. Boydston here, and today we're going to start off by thinking about this a brick. Now, I want you to think if you had a brick, what could you do with it? Hmm, well, if we had a stack of papers and we didn't want the wind to scatter them all over the place, maybe we could put the brick on top of it, like a paperweight. Hmm. Or maybe we could paint our name on it and decorate it and put it somewhere in our house. Or maybe we could put it in front of a door to keep the door from closing. All right, now I want you to think what could you do if you had mini bricks? Well, one thing you could do is you could build a planter box. Or another thing you could do is you could build a house. Or if you had enough bricks, you could even build a really nice church. So today we're going to talk about synthesis. Now, this is a big word, so we're going to break it up so that we can learn how to pronounce it. The first syllable, syn, the, sis. So, synthesis. And synthesis is when we put small ideas together to create something big and meaningful. So, kind of like with that brick, if we just have one brick, there's not a whole lot we can do with it. But if we have many bricks and we put them together, we can create something big and meaningful like a house or a church. So let's practice. I'm going to put a couple of images up on the board and I want you to think about how can we put these together to create something bigger and more meaningful. Okay, the first one we're going to do, a stick and a ball. Now, if we put these two simple things together, what could we create? That's right, baseball. Baseball is America's pastime. It's a great game, it's a great sport, and it's made of just the two simplest things, a stick and a ball. Let's try again. What could we create if we put these things together? Bread, meat, vegetables. That's right. If you said a sandwich, you are correct. Mmm, sandwiches are delicious. Okay, let's try one more. What could we create? What's something that's bigger, more meaningful if we put these things together? A bag, some feathers, and some fabric. So, what could we create if we had a bag, some feathers, and some fabric? That's right, a pillow. I love my pillow. It's so soft. It makes me going to sleep at night so much easier. All right. As we read our first story, um, we're going to discuss many small ideas, and we're going to put those small ideas together to create something bigger and more meaningful.